You and me are bored of regularities.
Hey guys, it's beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. I know I look a mess. I always do. It's just the way it is. Okay, so for today's video, I wanted to do another lipstick draw. If you didn't see the last one I did, I will leave it up in a card up above. But basically, what it was, I have too many lipsticks and I never kind of wear all of them. Well, in my head, I don't think I wear them all. And so I was like, why don't I put them in a hat, in a bag, and then draw one out and then have to create a look around it. So the lipsticks I'm going to use today are the NYX Super Clique-y lipsticks. And I don't know if I've actually ever worn these. I've swatched them and they're super pretty. I'm going to put them in my bag and then I'm going to choose one out at random. Ooh, so I'm going to use this color, which is called Ruthless. Super dark. Okay, this is going to be so fun. I'm going to take a minute, think about it, and then I'm going to zoom it in and switch it over to voiceover actually, because that's just the way I like to do my eyes, because if I'm talking, I'm like moving and it's just a mess. So once I zoom in, we're going to switch to voiceover and I'll see you guys in a snap. Alright guys, to start off the look, I am priming my eyelids with the MAYBELLINE Fit Me concealer. Nothing new here. I'm blending that into the skin and then I won't be setting it just yet because I'm going to be going in with the Kat Von D Roxy Everlasting Lip Liner. I am drawing this in my crease in about a half circle shape. And with these, you don't want to twist them up all the way because they are very soft and they will break, so don't really twist it up too much. So then I'm taking a dual fiber brush and blending this out, and I always try to take a little bit more time blending out my cream base because it'll help the shadow go on smoother. Just setting that with a loose powder. Now I'm going into the SUVA Beauty Market shadow. It is a purpley tone and I'm using a fluffier brush. And I'm putting this in my crease, upper crease area as my transition shade. Then I'm taking a white shadow and going over the transition. This one happens to be from the KVD Divine palette. Now I'm going into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and taking the royal purple color, and I'm going to be adding this to my crease. I do use a lot of different palettes for this look. I'm sorry about that, guys. I just had a specific look in mind. I was like, there's no way I'm going to be able to do this with just one palette. So it's lots of different products, but if you have different colors, palettes you want to use, totally fine. So I cut my crease off camera. Now I'm going into the ABH Prism palette and I am taking Sphere. I hope they make this into a single shadow because this is like the standout shadow from that palette. Anyway, I am going to be packing this on my lid.
Living all the dreams, playing all the games, and getting high in love. They can chase us down, but we will always win. Leading every dance, feeling every touch, and getting high in love. We're invincible. Trust in me. We're invincible.
Next, I'm taking Kat Von D's Dagger liquid lipstick. Just kidding, this is Wolf. I'm taking Wolf liquid lipstick on a very thin brush, and I'm drawing about halfway across my lid because then I'm going to ombre the other half. This is Kat Von D's Backstage Bambi liquid lipstick. Wait, is it? Anyway, drawing the second half of my wing and then I'm going to be pulling that back in. Okay, so yes, it is Backstage Bambi. I am using that on a very thin brush from Sigma and I'm just filling that in. I think I've shown you how to do ombre liner before, but I'm basically just taking this across the lid, drawing them together. Well, here I'm cleaning up the line. But then I'm going to take the other liner brush and I'm going to kind of switch back and forth between the two colors.
And let the colors rain. Turn the shit we do and our words into pure reality. 'Cause you and me are meant to be what they don't see.
Now I'm going to take Roxy lip liner again and use this in my waterline and along my lower lash line. Then I'm going to use one of the blending brushes from the very beginning and smudge that out. Then I'm going to take more of Market, the shadow I used in my crease, upper crease area, and just smoke that out. Then I'm going to take a light colored pencil and put this in the inner corner of my eye. Then I'm going to take this Revlon Color Charge Loose Powder, and this is in the shade Holographic. It shifts purple, so pretty. And I'm putting that on top of that pencil in the inner corner. Then to finish off the eyes, I popped on some House of Lashes Iconics. Alright, so I also wanted to use a new product. This is the BALM Cosmetics Take Home the Bronze bronzer. This is the shade Oskar. Here is the shade. And I'm using that on like a very thin brush because I'm expecting it to be super pigmented. I guess I could use a more dense brush. It doesn't look that crazy. Oh, it's very bronze. Alright, I'm just gonna go put the lipstick on and contour my nose, and then we'll figure out the blush together. Okay, so here are the lips on. It is so dark. Okay, what blush am I gonna do? I don't want anything too crazy, so I think I'm just gonna go with this pretty neutral blush. This is the IDUN Minerals Havtorn blush. See, it's just kind of like a neutral color. Cool, I think that looks so much better. I don't look dead. And then for highlight, this is from the Revlon Galaxy Dream Holographic highlighting palette. I'm gonna take this purple? Yeah, this one, the purple shade. Not pretty. It's like so fine and it's not glittery, which I love. Alright guys, I couldn't be bothered to put wig on or really even do my hair, but yeah. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These eyes are super dramatic and so is this lip, but it works. The eye look is based off one of my sketches. I will probably put it with my Instagram picture so you can check that out. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to continue doing these lipstick draw videos. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.